Look no further than the 2022 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, alarm. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.